Hey guys, so I realized yesterday that I've never properly introduced myself, so I just started making videos and you guys have no idea who I am. So to start, my name is Araceli and I'm currently in college. I'm 18 years old and well, yeah, that's all you gotta know for now at least. Yeah. So today I'm gonna be filming an eyebrow tutorial. I'm not going anywhere, but I'm bored, so might as well. So yeah, so for my eyebrows I use the e.l.f pomade, the brow cream in shade light brown. It's pretty dark since I usually it's dark but not that dark. I like my eyebrows natural. So I'm gonna take a little bit, same on my e.l.f brush. It was like $3, and I'm just gonna underline my eyebrows. Okay. So then I brush my eyebrow hairs down. And then again, I take a little bit. I don't take a lot because I don't like my eyebrows that dark. And just line them. So then whoa, oh my god. So then I just brush them back into their place, so that I could just fill them in. Like, as you can tell, I have really light eyebrow hairs. Like, nice shape, but light hairs. So obviously for this part, I obviously take more. I usually start by filling in the end of my eyebrows since I like that part to be really dark. And I don't really worry about if I go past whatever already lined out for my eyebrows, because I do conceal them after. So honestly, I just go in like a maniac. You know how people always have that one eyebrow they like better? Yeah, I like this one better. It's way nicer. I feel like this one is too thick. It never comes out the same. And then I'm getting sick, guys, sorry. And then I just brush the hairs in place so it just could disperse the color correctly, or the product at least. So then I take my concealer, this one, in shade pure beige, and I use this brush to conceal them. I got it off of Amazon when I was starting, so honestly I don't know. I don't even know if they still sell it. They probably do, but I got this 2 years ago. So I just take a little bit just in case. I usually mess up, so Yeah, it's like 2 in the morning. Why are people honking? I said morning, it's afternoon. But yeah, so I just underlined the bottom, like highlighted. So then now I'm just gonna like conceal the top, like to clean it up because I haven't done my eyebrows in a long time, so hairs are going in. So then I do the same to the other eyebrow. So then after that I just blend it out. And then once again I just brush through. Yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. It's nothing serious, pretty simple. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.